Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2018 BMW X6 M. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips at all. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door are perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the back of the SUV. The trunk has no scratches at all, and the back bumper is spotless as well. So everything back here is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door here are perfect. There are no scratches on them at all. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks spotless, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. This door panel is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, that seat looks fine. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Now let's move on to the back seat. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console. Everything here looks perfect. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the buttons at all. And also around the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.